Let's make Dubai chocolate bars, but vegan style, shall we? Okay. Let's put the pistachios in the boiling water. Cook them for 3 to 4 minutes. You want to get your pistachios and put them between paper towels and take off the skins. I'm going to put 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Melted some white chocolate. Gonna just spread it a little bit along the molds. So when we pop out that chocolate, they'll have a little drizzle of slightly green white chocolate swirl on the top. Okay, we're going to put this in the refrigerator for a little bit to harden, and then we'll melt chocolate. I'm going to melt this in the microwave. We're going to reserve 1/4 cup for tempering. Let's melt this. This looks good. It's a very scientific process that goes on when you temper chocolate. You have your melted chocolate and then you pour the non-melted chocolate in there. The non-melted chocolate acts like a little sergeant, getting his little soldiers all in line so that when you bite into the cooled chocolate, it has a nice crisp crack. So yeah, that's how you temper it. It's a very scientific explanation there. Read about it. It's interesting. Science is fascinating. Anyway, it smells like a candy shop in here. Let's pour this chocolate into these molds. Okay, into the refrigerator they go. Last final layer on it. This is actually the base layer of the chocolate. So, yeah, it's good, isn't it? Back in the refrigerator for another 20 minutes or so until they burn completely. Let's pop these out of the mold. See how they turned out. Make a great Christmas present or any time of the year, or just for yourself or your family. Some good options.
Is there grass inside?
There's grass inside.
I want to try some.
Okay. Amazing, right? Yay! All right, it's the moment of truth. Let's crack one of these babies open. Let's see. Oh, look at that. What's your thoughts?
It's really good.
Thumbs up. Gotta try it, guys. So good. What a way to save money for your Christmas gifts. Do these. All right. Didn't think they'd be so good. Oh my word.
I couldn't stop smiling.
I know.